Okay, everybody, so my name is Phil Butler, and I started this new YouTube channel on December 24th, Christmas Eve, and I needed to get a few things to do some more recordings. So I went to stop by Walmart the other day, and I picked up this Bauer Smart Photography Series multi-pod 6-in-1 tripod. Now I've got a Manfrotto tripod, and I got another tripod for my cameras, for my regular cameras, but I didn't have a lightweight one for my iPhone and my GoPro. So here's what it looks like. Now I spent a lot of money on this. It cost me a whole $14 and some cents. And so we're going to open it up, see what it's got. It's supposed to, according to this, adjust to from 7 inches to 36 inches. It's got a wireless shutter remote for a range of 10 meters, 33 feet that is, and a frequency of 2.4 gigahertz. Features include multi-angle shooting, 90-degree vertical shooting, smartphone mount, GoPro mount, tabletop tripod, desktop tripod, selfie stick function. Now what's in the box? It says it's got a multi-pod, a phone tripod mount, a GoPro adapter, a wireless shutter remote, and a USB micro USB cable. So we'll see. You know, I bought this at Walmart. It may not have all that stuff in there. You know how it is. I bought some sports drinks in little pouches, and they weren't all in there. This appears to be hasn't been opened. We'll see. Now let me turn this down a little bit. Okay, so before it comes in, of course it drops. Here's your USB cable for charging. It's got this part right here, I think, is a USB Bluetooth pair. You pair that with your Bluetooth on your phone, I'm sure, and you can probably turn your phone on and off with that. So we'll see. I'll have to figure out how that works. And it appears it can clip anywhere on this tripod, on any of the legs. Or you could hook it up to your key fob. Okay, so it's got a nice little deal here. You tighten that up. Well, it's pretty good. That's really good. So you can put it at different angles and then tighten it up, which sometimes you can't tighten some of this stuff. I have a one of those little spongy leg tripods for a desktop. It doesn't hold. Okay, so here's your GoPro mount. It works pretty good. Let me see. Suppose if you tighten up that thing before you try to untighten it, works better. See, because it just spins. Well, that's new. Huh. What happened there? What happened to that? Well, let's stay there. I see what happened. Duh. What this is, I'm not sure. I suppose that's for a camp. I don't know what that's for. Let's see. Is that what that's for? Yeah, I think that's probably what it's for your iPhone. No, doesn't show that, does it? Let's see. Let's see. I guess that makes a difference if you want to do vertical. If you want to do that vertical, you can do like this and go like that, and you get your vertical. That way you get your vertical. Or you take it, tighten it up. You can do this, I think, maybe. And you tighten it that way up. If you want to do your regular YouTube, you put it on there that way. Let's see. And your phone goes in that way. So you can see me on there. Okay, so let's see how this works. Now, got that puny little thing there. You gotta pull it all the way up, otherwise it's not gonna go at all. So, let's see how that works. See how that works? A nice belly there, huh? Pretty nice. Down like that. Now my only problem with this is it obviously doesn't have a very big base. It's not like a real tripod. And probably in a good wind that's going to blow over. But a lot of places where I use it, I think it'll do just fine. Especially with the GoPro on it, because it's not going to be, the GoPro's not that heavy. And I'm not going to try to show it pairing up here, but I have a similar one that I use. And with my GoPro, I really don't need to have a remote, but I think it will turn on your iPhone. And they show it here. They show it using it as a stick and using your thumb right there. So let's see. Suppose we go like, it's a pain in the ass, actually. I got it in there tight. Wonder why they didn't want to do that. There we go. Okay. Oh crap. Well, not real impressive, is it? Still going on. Let's see. Turn it like that. You got your little, it's not supposed to go like this. Maybe. Doesn't work very good for itself, does it? I guess. Wonder why that is. I don't know what I did, but I tightened it up. Now you can use it as stealthy. Yeah, it didn't stay in there very good. And I hit both buttons with it, and I called the ambulance. So let's do this. Put it in there again. Tighten that up. And yeah, there you go. And I suppose you can, it's got that button there. I haven't paired it so it doesn't, I don't do this selfie thing much anyways. So what I would use this more for was shooting something on the ground that I don't want to get close to, like a snake. So well, that's it on this one. So I'd give it about, on a scale of 5 to 10, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it about a 5.